Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we have an exciting and informative topic to dive into: 20 irresistible qualities that will drive her crazy for you. These qualities are what many women find incredibly attractive and desirable in a partner. So, if you want to make a lasting impression and create a deep connection, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our content. Let's get right into it. Segment 1. Confidence. Confidence is undeniably attractive. It shows that you believe in yourself and your abilities, and that self-assuredness can drive her wild for you. Confident body language, eye contact, and the way you carry yourself all contribute to this. Segment 2. Good sense of humor. A good sense of humor can be incredibly alluring. Making her laugh and having a light-hearted approach to life can make you irresistible. Being able to bring joy into her life will make her want to be around you more. Segment 3. Kindness and empathy. Kindness and empathy are qualities that will melt her heart. Showing care and concern for others, including her, can make her feel cherished and cared for. These qualities demonstrate that you're not only self-assured but also compassionate and considerate. Segment 4. Good communication skills. Effective communication is a vital trait. Being able to listen actively, express yourself clearly, and engage in meaningful conversations can make you captivating. Communication builds a strong connection and makes her feel understood. Segment 5. Respect and equality. Respect and a commitment to equality are essential qualities. Treating her as an equal, valuing her opinions, and respecting her boundaries create a powerful attraction. These qualities demonstrate that you're not only confident but also considerate and fair. Segment 6. Self-improvement. A commitment to self-improvement is captivating. Showing that you're constantly working on becoming a better person is a magnetic quality. It indicates that you're not complacent and that you strive for personal growth. Segment 7. Integrity. Integrity is a quality that's extremely appealing. Acting with honesty, authenticity, and reliability builds trust and respect. When she sees that you have strong principles and are trustworthy, she'll be drawn to you. Segment 8. Passion and ambition. Having passion and ambition in life is a quality that can make her go crazy for you. Pursuing your goals with enthusiasm and determination is highly attractive. It demonstrates that you have a drive and a sense of purpose. Segment 9. Thoughtfulness. Thoughtfulness is a quality that can't be ignored. Paying attention to her needs and desires, and taking the time to make her feel special, creates a deep connection. Little acts of kindness and consideration can have a big impact. Segment 10. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a remarkable quality. Being in tune with your own emotions and understanding hers can foster intimacy and connection. It shows that you're empathetic and capable of navigating complex feelings. Segment 11. Independence and individuality. Independence and a strong sense of individuality are attractive qualities. It's important to have your own interests and a life outside the relationship. This independence shows that you're not looking for someone to complete you, but to complement your life. Segment 12. Support and encouragement. Being supportive and encouraging is invaluable. When she sees that you believe in her and are her biggest cheerleader, she'll be enamored by your presence. Your unwavering support can inspire her to reach for her dreams. Segment 13. Patience and understanding. Patience and understanding are qualities that can make you absolutely irresistible. Being patient when she needs it and understanding her point of view is a powerful sign of respect. It shows that you're willing to take the time to truly connect with her. Segment 14. Adventurous spirit. An adventurous spirit is a quality that can ignite her passion. Being open to new experiences and willing to share exciting moments together can create a strong connection. It adds an element of excitement to the relationship. Segment 15. Reliability. Reliability is a characteristic that's deeply attractive. Being someone she can count on and trust can make her feel secure and cherished. It's a foundation for a strong and lasting bond. Segment 16. Thoughtful gifts and gestures. Thoughtful gifts and gestures can go a long way. Taking the time to surprise her with meaningful tokens of affection can be a surefire way to capture her heart. These gestures show that you're invested in making her feel loved. Segment 17. Physical affection and romance. Physical affection and romance are essential for creating a passionate connection. Holding her hand, cuddling, and expressing your love through physical touch can be highly seductive. It's an integral part of building intimacy. Segment 18. Good manners and chivalry. Good manners and chivalry never go out of style. Treating her with respect, opening doors, and showing courtesy can be incredibly endearing. These gestures can make her feel valued and special. Segment 19. Effort in the relationship. Effort in the relationship is a quality that can't be overlooked. Planning memorable dates, keeping the romance alive, and being willing to work through challenges together can create a lasting bond. It shows that you're committed to building a strong and thriving connection. Segment 20. Honesty and vulnerability. Last but not least, honesty and vulnerability are qualities that can drive her absolutely wild for you. Being open about your feelings, thoughts, and even your insecurities can create a deep, authentic connection. It's an invitation for her to do the same, fostering trust and understanding. In conclusion, these qualities are like magnets that draw her closer to you. Remember that it's not about trying to be someone you're not, but about embracing and enhancing these qualities within yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be filled with love, passion, and lasting connections.